How to fix Google Authenticator not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up Play Store on a device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar and type Google Authenticator. Then tap on search. Then tap on Google Authenticator and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now find Google Authenticator. Then tap on it, click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data, then tap on delete. Now restart the application. I hope this will fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.